Hello friends, welcome to this video. This is our first video of the series of our books. I have started a series of explaining all the books of all standards 1st to 7th because our sir wants that every student should understand everything clearly, word by word and sentence by sentence. So let's get started. Friends, our first chapter is the tiny rodents, the amazing rodents. First you will see the chapter's introductory video. After that we will jump on the chapter and understand its description and fact corner, and after that I will explain you the chapter in the activity column. This is known as capybara. These are known as scabby friends. These are known as the mouse. Can you climb like this on the tree? Tell me in the comment box. They are known as zebra. See their tail. How it moves. So friends, this was our introductory video. Now I will explain you everything in this chapter. So watch the video till end.
Rodents. Rodents are mammals whose name literally means gnawers. They have very well developed front teeth.
Friends, I am explaining you description. This is the description of our chapter. Rodents. Rodents are mammals whose name literally means gnawers. Friends, rodents literally meaning is gnawers. They have very well developed front teeth. Their teeth is very well developed and their teeth is very strong too. So friends, now I will jump on the fact corner. If you are enjoying, then write your comment yes. If you are not enjoying and you are stucking anywhere, then tell me in comment box where you are stucking. I will explain that in my second video.
Fact corner. Rabbit is the largest rodent in the world.
Friends, this is the fact corner. Rabbit is the largest rodent in the world. Rabbit, our favorite, your favorite, my favorite, everybody's favorite, is the largest rodent in the world. Think if the rabbit is the largest rodent in the world. So these are how much big? What is their size? Friends, now I will jump on fact activity column, and there I will explain you everything word to word, sentence to sentence. So take care and pay attention on the activity column, because there I will explain you everything word to word, sentence to sentence. Friends, first question is, I am a tree dwelling rodent. This rodent is a tree dwelling rodent with large eyes. Its eyes are very large. Soft fur is very soft, and a bushy tail. It has a very bushy tail. Its tail contains so much hair. That's why it is called bushy tail, and found throughout North Africa and Eurasia. And it is found throughout North America and Eurasia. Eurasia is the continent and North Africa is also a continent. I am known to sleep for long hours. This rodent is known to sleep long hours. It sleeps for so much time. I feed mainly on fruits, birds, eggs, and sometimes insects. Friends, this this insect, this rodent mainly feeds on fruits, birds, eggs, and sometimes insects. Now I will do it dormouse. I don't know it is right or wrong. I am only checking. I am a grass eating rodent. This is a grass eating rodent found on prairies of North America. North America is a continent. I am telling you, I am explaining you everything. It is country or a continent. I have explained you that North Africa and Eurasia is also a continent and North America is also a continent. I am stout. This animal is stout, short legged. Its leg is very short and it is about 15 inches long in its length. Only 15 inches long. I live in burrowed underground colonies. My name comes from bark-like call I used to communicate. Friends, this rodent lives in burrowed colonies. I am repeating, this rodent lives in burrowed underground colonies. This rodent comes from the bark-like call. This rodent's name starts from the bark-like call. From I used to communicate, because this rodent used this to communicate. I think so it should be prairie dog. Third question. I am a small burrowing rodent. This is a small burrowing rodent. I am repeating, this is a small burrowing rodent. Who lives in burrow? We know that rodent as a burrowing rodent. Understood? With small ears, its ears are very small. Short limbs. These are called limbs. If these are in toes and legs, they are also called limbs. He jumped off them. Oh, blunt snout. It has a blunt snout. Blunt. My fur is shaggy. Its fur is shaggy because it has many hairs on his fur, on his skin. That's why it is shaggy and grayish in color. I am mostly herbivorous. This rodent is mostly herbivorous and found in North America and Eurasia. Friends, I am repeating that North America and Eurasia continents, not countries. Understand? Fourth, I am like tiny kangaroo. This rodent is like a tiny kangaroo. Sorry. First, I have to do the answer of the third. Give the answer of the third. I think so. It should be whole. Fourth, I am like a teeny kangaroo. This rodent is like a teeny kangaroo. Teeny kangaroo, you know kangaroo. Kangaroo is found in Africa. It has a pouch, and this is a teeny kangaroo. Teeny kangaroo, the small version of a kangaroo. I have long hind legs. It also have long legs, which let me make you sleep. This rodent can take huge leaps. Huge leaps means big steps. Means huge leaps. My tail helps me, my tail helps me maintain my balance. Its tail helps it to maintain its balance. It is same like kangaroo, but it is the smaller version of kangaroo. It is same. It has a long tail which balance it. Kangaroo has the same. Kangaroo has long hind limbs which provide it Use steps. This is also same but small version. I am found in the deserts of Africa and Asia. Friends, Asia, the continent in which India is located. Asia is that continent in which India is located, and Africa is a continent. It's not country. It's a continent. In this full chapter, where Africa, Asia, North America, Eurasia, this has been used to describe a continent, not a country. Understand? Okay. What should be its answer? I think it should be Jerboa. Now it's turn of fifth is I am almost as big as small pony of the largest rodent on the earth. This is at least this is so much big as the long tail. रैबिट की टेल जितनी बड़ी है ये rodent है. I live near water. This lives near water. I live in small groups in the Amazon region and feed on grasses and water plants. I live in small groups. ये जो होते हैं ये छोटे छोटे ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड होके रहते हैं. They are found in the Amazon region. Amazon is a jungle type area. It is a very big jungle and this is very dangerous jungle which contains anaconda and pythons. Every kind of snakes are there in this region, and this rodent lives in that region only, and it feeds on grasses and water plants. I think so it should be capybara. Sixth, I belong to the same family as the pet guinea pig. This belongs to the pet. Friends, everybody don't love pig, but some pigs are guinea pig which can be tamed as pet. Many people also tame them as pet. This rodent comes from that family only and resemble it greatly. और ये उन्हीं की तरह रहते भी हैं और ये उन्हीं की तरह बर्ताव भी करते हैं. I have no visible tail. These rodents have no visible tail. I am a social animal that lives in burrows in the plains and marshes of South America. This is a social animal. ये एक सामाजिक एनिमल है जो कि साउथ अमेरिका के प्लेन्स और मार्शेस में रहता है. फ्रेंड्स, मैं वापस बता रहा हूँ, यहाँ पर जहाँ भी देश का जिक्र नहीं किया गया, जहाँ भी लोकेशन का जिक्र किया गया है, वो कॉन्टिनेंट को बताने के लिए किया गया है, किसी देश को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए नहीं किया है. आई थिंक सो इट शुड बी कैवी. लेट्स चेक द आंसर. फ्रेंड्स, वी आर राइट, वी डिड इट. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको कोई भी दिक्कत हो, इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम, आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में बताइए. यू टेल मी इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. आई विल डिस्क्राइब इट इन माय सेकेंड वीडियो, इन माय अदर वीडियो of 7th standard. So this was today's subject. Now I am closing the video, the recording. I am ending it, and I will see you in the next video in the second subject of any other subject. So bye.